Anyways, guys, we're in the Brinks box. This very well may be our fake out play, but, you know, look at this. Clock hit 9 a.m. EST. We got the vectors, so we know they're here. Say hello to the market makers. I say it all the time. They cannot hide. So first TP, we are long right now. First TP is this red line. Actually, I already took TP. Stop losses at the entry. This very well may roll over because we're in the Brinks. Who knows? I don't know if it will, though. We're looking pretty decent on these higher term time frames, but we are pretty topped out. I just want to hit this line. If I hit this line, I don't care what happens. Yeah, we're starting to get bear divs. So this could be our fake out. Remember, we got to be paying attention during the Brinks box, especially to these vectors, right? This is where they trap the traders. Let's see the 3 minute. This is concerning, is that money flow is on its, like, on the way down, right? Money's coming out of Bitcoin. However, the price is increasing. This very well could be our fake out. 100% this could be our fake out. And I missed my take profit, so that's kind of upsetting. Why is this not on replay? Who's this guy? Okay, let's change it. Let's do this one. I put Pump It Up Joe Biden by accident. Let's do this guy. You know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Okay. Yeah, this could be the fake out. This could be it. SFP this high. Although I really wanted to come take this high here. Three hour. Let's check the 3 hour. Man, you know what? The 3 hour actually does look pretty good. My only problem with the 3 hour, and I said this in a couple streams ago, the only problem I have with it is when money flow is this thick, man, I want to see a divergence, which means I want to see this low get taken out. Like, this is, in my opinion, too thick money flow. The money flow is way too thick for us to have not gotten a divergence. So, you know, this might give us maybe an SFP of this high. Come back down. Give us a nice div like that. Give us a nice div like this. And then this comes and takes the low. That would make me way more bullish. But until we tap this low, I can't really say that I'm too bullish, if I'm being honest with you. Although I am long, but I'm scalping. But I think it might be, we might have to enter short here. Don't you know, pump it up. Okay, this song is actually already way annoying me. Yeah, this might be our fake out. We could dump down pretty significantly from here. Let's see our zones. I mean, I don't know. We do have our first vector above the 15 or the 50 EMA on the 1 hour or on the 15-minute time frame. The question is, are they going to follow through with it? To be honest, again, as I said, I don't really care as long as this high is taken. But because we're in the Brinks, wow, this is really annoying. Let's just do this. Sure. Yeah, this could be it. But this could also take us pretty significantly higher and then dump down. Or I mean, this technically could have been the fake out. Who knows, man? Right now, it's not looking too good though. Oh my, these alerts. Goodbye. I just don't like the way the 3 minute looks. Let's go to the 5. I mean, the 5 looks better than the 3, but typically when you see this is risky business. Very risky business. Let's do this. Keep it chill right now. Yeah, I don't know, man. The 3 hour looks good though, as you mentioned, but short term. 1 hour similar to the 3 hour with money flow VWAP. Again, man, guys, I agree. You know, the higher term time frames do look promising. Right? We did tap our long zone down here yesterday perfectly that I gave in advance on the VIP. So to the YouTube people, if you're not in the Discord, make sure you join the Discord, but more importantly, make sure you join VIP. Let's get rid of our VWAP. But again, man, when money flow is this thick, like we had no divergences, none. That's uncommon, and it's very uncommon for Bitcoin to make a low like this. Like, okay, let's zoom out. Very uncommon right now for Bitcoin to have made this higher high, higher low, and then just come back up. And obviously this is more macro. Like, I'm not suggesting this is gonna happen at all, but I think we need to come back for this low at least. I want to SFP it. Ideally, if we can come down to this level, grab some of this liquidity, this vector candle, because we didn't even touch this vector candle at all on the daily time frame. So minimum coming down to like 23K, I would be a lot more bullish. And yes, the higher term time frame or the medium term time frames, the hourly looks decent, sure, I'm not disputing that. But again, if we saw any divs, like there's literally no divs. The only divergence we had was this on the 1 hour time frame. And it's only with money flow. Like, it's not even with the wave as well, at least. So I don't really think that there's too much stop shitting on your optimism. You're usually pessimistic. Man, honestly, yeah, I don't know, bro. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, today, I feel like today's going to be an interesting day. You're in your long. Yeah, I'm long also. I just want this green line. After this green line, anything else is good. After that, I'm targeting this box up here. This is an area of supply, so I would like to see that box. Where is that? 265. Maybe we'll get it on stream. Perhaps we do something like this and then roll over. Very possible. But this 15-minute time frame looks good. And this vector, so you guys know I always say vectors we come back for. I always preach that. You guys know that. But you need to pay attention to where the vectors are relative to our EMA. So these vectors here are different than this one here. This is our 50 EMA. To those who may not know, this purple cloud with the blue line, that's our 50 EMA. And typically when you have your vectors coming into the 50 EMA, that will give you a cheat sheet entry, right? If this wave was high, would give you a cheat sheet entry. However, we broke above, or we held the 50 EMA, and then now we're starting to get momentum above the 50 EMA. So what happens is when you're vectoring into the 50 EMA, you're expecting a retrace. Here we didn't do that, right? We continued another vector. Now, we know vectors move in 3, market makers move in 3. This could have been 1, this could have been 2, and we can get one more push up for 3 before rolling over. But typically, when you're seeing a vector above the 50 EMA, it is a sign of strength. Now, of course, we're going to have to look at our other term time frames right here. Arguably, you could say, like, well, we're still in it, or we're not arguably, we're fighting the 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. So if we were to continue higher, we have to beat that, right? Let's go to the 2 hours, probably fighting that as well, right? We're coming into the 2 hour EMA as well. So You know, this is how you can use the confluences of the EMAs, but just because we're clear on the 15-minute time frame doesn't mean we're clear on all the other term time frames. 4 hour, we're probably not even touching it. Yeah, we're not even touching the cloud yet. That doesn't mean that we can't come up and recover this vector, for example, because absolutely we can, and we should assume that we're going to, because at the end of the day, we're trading the range, right? But how do we know if we're going to reject off of the cloud here or off of the 50 EMA here? Well, we look at the 15 EMA and we're above it, and we're starting to get vectors suggesting that we're having momentum to the upside. So that's how you can kind of determine what's going to happen on your larger term time frame EMAs, by looking at your shorter term time frame. Where are the vectors? Very important. Very important. Again, what's going to happen in this immediate short term? I don't know. Like, the 3 minute does not look bullish at all to me. Literally at all. Nothing about this looks bullish. 5 minute looks decent. Still not great, but decent. But if we're going to continue higher, I would at least like to come down to here-ish. No, it doesn't have to be that low. Here, maybe. And then reverse back up. But we'll see. We did just make a higher high on our smaller term structure. Did we SFP this? Yeah, that's an SFP. So this is concerning that we SFP'd this. But that doesn't mean that we're done here. We're going to see really what happens at this level. This is a very important level. This is very, very key. 26200, give or take. I don't imagine that they come and grab the liquidity from this one and then don't take this one. This is also our psychological high. So this is a key level. I'm not really interested in this one that we are SFPing right now. It's more so this level right here that I want to be focused on, is this green. And if we SFP it, then perhaps we can expect somewhat of a retracement. My goodness, I'm like stuttering today. But right now, directly in the short term, let's get rid of market cipher A. It's messy. Right now in the short term, we're looking at this level, at least. Hopefully. I mean, I am long, like I said. The range golden pocket is above us. Let's see. Let's grab it from up here. Wanna be where you are. Yeah, so this is in line with my zone here, which is exactly what I was looking at, right? This box is where I'm looking to close my my long. Can I make this like a bright red? I want it to be like, man, this is where I'm looking to close my long, this box. Because this is an area of supply up here. So let's see what happens. But realistically, my TP1 is this. Or I already took profits and my stop loss at the entry, so I'm chilling. But my second TP is this this line right here. This green line. And then if we get that, then I can expect us to come to this line here, or this box. And so far it's looking so good. And guys, that's how you paint the narrative, you know? Look at how I just looked at the vector candle relative to the 15 EMA, but then I also built a narrative around the 1 hour 50 EMA, right? We're fighting it. Okay, then we go to the 2 hour, like things are, that's how you can establish the momentum, right? We're at our 50 EMA on the 2 hour time frame. Are we going to find resistance here? We might, but how do we find out if we do or not? You jump to the lower term time frames and you look at what's happening. Look at the vector. This is implied movement to the upside. Or momentum, sorry, not movement. Movement we can see, but momentum. We're starting to get volatility in the chart, essentially, is what that means. I wanna be, and missed again. Wow. Just hit my TP, bro. It's not that hard. Go down after you tap it, no problem. Actually, I'm gonna move it down just like literally $1. Because on my exchange, it's at 26200 on the dot, and sometimes they front run it. So we'll go 26196. Bouncing off the 13 on the 3-minute. I wouldn't get so caught on the smaller term time frame 5 and 13. I don't even like to use the 5 and 13. I mean, I do, but they get a little bit messy. But I wouldn't be so caught on it on the shorter term time frames because this like can turn real quick. I'm more interested in the 50 EMA. This is a good sign. On the 1 minute time frame, this is a very good sign. We're recovering our green vector candle, which is what we like to see. Here we have our engulfing candle. So retail is starting to short, which gives us liquidity, obviously, for the longs to push the price higher. But more importantly, we expect this to be recovered. Remember what I said. You have to pay attention to where the vectors take place in the chart. We're above the 50 EMA, right? On the 1 minute time frame, we're above the 50 EMA. So any red vectors into this zone, we should expect an entry and to move forward. Not necessarily an entry, but we should expect it to be recovered because we are above the 50 EMA. Yes, we have all this liquidity here, but as of now, it's too soon to tell if they're going to come down for it. I do believe they're going to come down for it. Eventually for sure they will. But the question is, how high do they go before they come and roll over? I wanna be where you are. True, in pumps and dumps it will bounce off the 5 and the 13. I'm not so like caught up on the shorter term time frames. I would probably, you know what, I'm gonna be honest, like I've been really digging the 5 minute time frame lately. I really like the 5 minute time frame. This was a cheat sheet entry, by the way. So if you got this cheat sheet entry, congrats. Okay, man, come on, hit my TP. A little bit higher. Yeah, so we're starting to get real momentum to the upside. I think we're going to take this high, like literally right now. Let's see. There we go. Wow, I didn't even trigger my order. Didn't even hit it. Come on, a little. Did I miss it by like literally? Okay, there we go. Okay, okay. So we just took profit. Stop loss is now at entry, so we're chilling. Don't care what happens. But now we're gonna target up here. 2.6, give or take 2.65. We have these vectors now that can be recovered, right, on our 15. So let's go, Mr. Market Maker. Send it higher, baby. Oh, man. I wanna be where you are. I wanna be where you are. USDT dominance is weak. Yeah, I don't doubt it. Let's see what Dixie's doing. Dixie is yeah, I would say Dixie is like, if anything, leaning a little bit bearish, which is good for crypto. Yeah. Oh, is this about to be a cheat sheet entry on Dixie? Yeah, this is a cheat sheet entry on Dixie. Dixie is bearish. Very good. Let's see dominance. Honestly, I don't even care about dominance. The whole market will follow Bitcoin. I wanna be where you are. Wait, who's talking right now? Dark comment. The chat's talking to you, bro. They want some shepherd's pie. Guys, who's nice. Guys, who's long right now? Captain. Captain is making some cheddar today. Shouts out to Captain. Long on Link. I haven't traded Link in like 2 years. I don't even know where my Link is. I wanna be where you are. I wanna be where you are. 25850. Yeah, I'm also long from 25850, sir. I am also long. Yeah, Link is looking pretty good just off first glance. We held the low. Again, man, it's a similar story though. I want to see divergences. Like, okay, we're trading the range, right? We're in this range. We all know this. Nothing new there. For us to ever come back to here, which I'm not saying won't happen, for me, this low has to be taken before we come back up to here. So, you know, building the story. Honestly, this green dot on the 4 hour doesn't even look like it's gonna print, if I'm being completely real with you. But let's just say it did. Actually, no, let's just say it doesn't. It's gonna probably do. If it does this, that's good for me. And actually maybe lower because we got liquidity down here. Anyways, let's go back to BTC. Same with this, man. This red dot. I mean, this green dot right now. I don't know how well it'll hold up, but we'll see. We are pretty topped out on the higher term time frames. If we get real quick vectors, like 15-minute vectors, let's say this is our first push. Let's say this is our second push. We consolidate here a little bit, and then we get like 1, 2, 3 vectors. I will short here. I mean, obviously, we're going to have to look at market structure, right? If we're coming up, and then we start to break right there, then we can short it. As of right now, this is kind of my only zone that I'm looking at. Let me see here. I didn't do TA today, so. I want to be where you are. Which way is this guy going? No, this is wrong. We don't need that. Here we bounced right off the golden pocket. Shouts out to everybody that took this trade that I gave in advance yesterday. In my Discord. Let me see if I can actually pull it up for the stream. For the kiddos. Right there. So yesterday I said 3-minute looks abysmal. We're looking for lower, right? We were at this box zone. We came down to here. Next picture, which was 2 hours later. I had here. Boom. We had the bullish divs, just like I said. And I said, did y'all catch it? So Whoever is long from there, congratulations for being in VIP. It's pretty easy, to be honest. Pretty easy money. I did take profits on that, and I've been longing and shorting, so my original position is closed. What is going on here? My original position is closed, but nonetheless, we nailed the entry. This feeling. You got it on the next sweep. That's good, man. Yeah, man. 5 minutes in and out catching cheat sheet entries. Me too, bro. Me too. 5 minutes is looking good right now. We should have somewhat of a retracement, though, I think. Let's see what's happening with this line. See, this is an SFP we need to be mindful of. This could be the top. I'm not saying it is. But this would align right now with our narrative of market maker, you know, tricking people, right? Setting the trap for the Brinks box and then rolling it down. Because we SFP'd this high as of now on the 10-minute time frame. And it's actually technically confirmed. So you could theoretically now short, put your stop loss over this high. Let's see what the 3 minute. 3 minute is still not looking good, to be honest. This actually might be a short. Where would the stop loss be? 26233. 26233. I wanna be where you are. Poor YouTube is gonna hear my singing without the background music, and it's gonna sound so bad. Yeah, this could be a short, guys. This could be the daily high. We also tapped the daily open. We also are at psychological high. We're also in the Brinks box. We also SFP'd this here. We're also at resistance on the higher term time frame EMAs. Are we at value area high? No, not even close. This could be a short, though. Even if it's just a quick scalp, it could be. If this comes down and takes this low, then on the retracement, I'm going to short it. I get this fee. If money flow was coming up, then it would be a different story on the 3 minute time frame, but it's not so. I wanna be where you are. I wanna be where you are. Let's come on the 1. Yeah, this buy to sell here. So now we can do this. This is resistance. This is a resistance. I get this feeling. See what CVD is doing. Oof. All right. Well, we got people longing. People are longing. This is actually technically bearish. This is bearish. Now CVD is not confirmed until the low is taken here. So this can change, right? Until price comes down to here, this is not confirmed. But it's important to know bear div on the 1 and the 3, but it doesn't look good for the higher term time frame. Oh, it doesn't look good for higher. Yeah, I agree. This might be the high. Remember, we got to keep in mind the Brinks. We're in the Brinks box right now, so we're looking for the tricky moves. And this is a tricky move if I've ever seen one. This over here, when you see this, like, you know, you have to proceed with caution. Which means if you're long and you cut the move correctly, proceed with caution. Even if it keeps going up, and you took profits too early or whatever, like, you're paying for your safety. You're paying for your protection. Remember, the number one rule in trading is actually to protect your capital. It is not to make money. It is to not lose money. Right? All you're trying to do is not lose money. That's it. You're not even... If you can not lose money, you're already ahead of 95% of the people. Making money, you will make money. You will learn how to make money. But the rule is don't lose your money. Let's put this on. I'm sorry, can you repeat your question? Yeah, it's possible. So right now, for example, if money flow continues coming down to the red and this curves up and then we have something like this, that would be a cheat sheet entry if money flow is still thick in the red on the 3-minute time frame. So I'm glad that we took profits there. I actually did enter a short up here with my stop loss over the high, as I said in stream. Now, if we do get a move back up, now we just broke market structure. So if we do get a move back up, I'm gonna look to add towards my short and close out the rest of my long. By the way, this is a great song. Great song. Shouts out to my boy that sent this. Appreciate you, my funk master. Now here you go again. I was tired today, man. Ugh, we should have giga shorted. It's okay. We'll all enter short together. When the time is right, when the price is right. Let's see what our higher term time frames. Yeah, I mean, this is starting to look from bad to worse. If I'm being honest with you guys. And that's why we streamed the Brinks. Walked away for a minute, so you are no longer... No, I'm schlong. I'm schlong, so I'm long and short. But I did just open a new short, and I am 10% in profit right now. And I will probably look to add towards my short on the next retracement, especially if we take this low. So my long is now in red. My scalp long. But I took profit, so I'm good. Oh, I like this. I have a wedding tomorrow, so maybe I'll play this during cocktail hour. I like playing mixes during cocktail hour because then I can get some drinks myself. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, man. So again, as I just mentioned, that could have been the high. It's looking like it right now. Who knows? We could just take the low and then bounce back up, but I don't know. It's a tricky range. We also tapped our daily open. What other levels do I have there? Do I have anything else there? We got a daily level there as well. Yeah, we're dumping. We are dumping. I am a DJ. Yeah, I DJ weddings and like corporate events and stuff. Oof, this is getting so ugly. Wow, it's getting really ugly really fast. It's a good thing I'm short. Oh, nice. Live sound engineer. That's sick. So do you do like concerts and stuff? Oh, that I wouldn't. Guys, that's why we take profits. That is why we take profits. This is exactly why. Because things can turn real quick. Okay, so don't be dumb. If you're in the red now after being in the green, use this as a lesson. I don't mean to be like mean or condescending or anything. But you remember this feeling. Write it down. Make a voice note. Make yourself a video to watch later. Whatever it takes. Write it down because this sucks if that's the case. And if that's the case, then, you know, you need to remember the feeling. Because although it's best to keep trading as emotionless as possible, we are human beings. So write it down, do whatever you need to do. I'll give you a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. We did just SFP this low. And it's not uncommon for us to take the high, take the low, and then continue back up. The only problem is we don't have vectors here, at least on the 5-minute time frame. Let's see what's going on later. I mean, it's looking bearish, guys. It's, you know, we're topped out on these time frames here. Although, this red vector looks good on the 15. So maybe we come down to take this liquidity. Maybe we SFP this. Maybe we SFP this. Maybe we SFP down here even. And then bounce. Who knows? But we have broken market structure to the downside. So, on our next retracement up, wherever it may be, which, to be honest, could probably be up here if we get back up that high. We short it. Short it down to wherever it is, wherever we go. You're taking a break from live events and stuff. I love live events, man. I go to concerts all the time. Like, I have so much fun DJing. I don't need to do it. Like, it's not about the money for me. Obviously I make a living off of trading, but I like doing the weddings and stuff because it's fun for me. You know, I get to party, I get to play the songs that I like, and I like a lot of the wedding songs. So, and not only that, but I take pride in like contributing to people's most important day of their lives. You know, like all these brides have been dreaming of their wedding since they were 5 years old, and for me to be able to contribute and give them a memory that they'll never forget, it's very like fulfilling for me. So I like to do that. I really, really enjoy doing weddings. As a DJ, yes, but sound is just long hours and musicians drama. Yeah, no, for sure. For sure. You got to babysit. You got to babysit the talent when you're doing the sound, 100%. Especially the more higher up you are, and like if you're doing like celebrity stuff, then yeah, you're really going to have to deal with like... Plus sound is so easy to get a lot of problem, like I mean, obviously you know, but a lot of troubleshooting. So many things can go wrong when it comes to sound. You worked for a German TV Formula 1 and soccer championships. That's sick, man. You know, a lot of people in this Discord like do really cool stuff. Like really cool stuff. So that's sick. Your lives are cooler than mine. Hard to get along, and so you're back from outer space. Look upon your face. Man, this stream should be on YouTube, but I like still haven't tested it. I need to do it. Problem is I'm lazy. Walk out the door. Just turn around now. Actors are divas. Yeah, man. Any celebrity really is a diva. Lay down and die. Oh, no, not I. Yeah, I will survive. Okay, so we took this SFP, which means we don't need it anymore. I don't think we're going to come back for this high, if I'm being completely honest with you. But what do I know? Okay, interesting. So, okay, I'm just real quick. Anytime you guys ask me a question, I'm gonna repeat it because YouTube won't be able to hear you guys. So just for the record. Okay, so guys, he just asked, or not asked, but just commented that he was looking to take a short around this level, 26,200. But there was no divs on the 3 minute. However, there were. And I'm going to show you. Guys, remember this. Don't forget this, okay? Money flow is king. This is why Market Cipher B is better than Fu Manchu, is better than all of the fake ones, and why I think in the long term it is worth it. Because yes, you're right. The waves did not diverge. You're right, but the money flow diverged. And money flow is king. And we had the vectors. We had the confluence. Okay, I gotta close my long, but I don't know. I want to retrace a little bit. I want to come back up. Yes. One second. Dark Helmet, do you mind just muting yourself, bro? Okay, I'm gonna mute him. Can you guys hear him still or no? Okay. Okay, cool. Sorry, can you repeat your question or your comment? Okay, so YouTube, he just said he saw the money flow diverging. But he was too afraid to take the trade. And all I can really say on that, my friend, is yeah, VWAP is giving us divs as well. Yeah. No, 100%, man. I understand it. I get it. And that will come with practice, you know, like you getting that that confidence comes with practice. And you know, really at the end of the day, if you're practicing good risk management, then you should never be afraid to take a trade. Like you guys, when you're opening a trade, I told you this, okay? When you're opening a trade, I want you to immediately think of all the reasons why the trade can go against you. I don't care if it goes in your favor. Winning is like, yeah, you win, cool. But winning, this is gonna sound like obvious, but I want you to like think about it in depth what I'm about to say. Winning is better than losing, obviously we know that. But losing sucks more than winning is good. Okay? When you win, you feel good, sure. But when you lose, it sucks. Like losing sucks way more than winning is good. So, you have to practice the good risk management and you get good at these entries. You know, you get good with the confluence and with the confidence. You look for the key levels. You can do like you can find key levels anywhere in the chart. You know, technical analysis, when I give you guys my levels, it's a level that is very reactive, but it's something that you guys, I have enough time to give you in advance. This here, I can't give you 3-minute technical analysis and 5-minute market structure and expect you guys to be able to take the trades. So my answer to what you're saying really is you're scared to lose the money. And I mean, it's not bad to be afraid. Like I would rather you be in a no trade than in a losing trade. However, you start to build your confidence. And if you're practicing good risk management, you can walk away from your computer and not be worried about what's going on. You don't need to watch the price every second. So you'll get good at it. But you should have, you know what you should have done? If you're afraid and you don't want to take it, let's say your normal position size is $1,000. I don't know what it is, but let's just say it's 1,000. What you do is you open up $1. Literally do a $1 position, because who cares about $1? And just follow the percentage, right? So if you're down 50% on your $1, then you're down 50 cents only, but you would be down 500 if you opened up your $1,000 position. So start to build your confidence like that. Open up a $1 position and add zeros to whatever your normal position size would be. And that's how you can follow the percentage, right? That's something I very strongly advocate for. Don't worry about the money, man. Learn how to play the game. When you learn how to play the game, you will make the money, right? LeBron James is not a millionaire, or he's not a millionaire in like the NBA in basketball because he learned how to make money. He's a millionaire because he learned how to play basketball. And he's the best in the world. That's what you guys need to do. Learn the game. Treat this like a sport. Learn the game and the money will come. Anyways, quick little rant. We should get somewhat of a retracement. We already are. Which is nice. Good. Absolutely, you can discuss what's wrong with your trading. Okay, yeah, that happens. Okay, so for YouTube, he's just said the problem is with his stop loss. He catches wicks, and then it hits his stop loss, and then it'll go in his direction. Oh, this is kind of spicy price action right now. Anyways, at the beginning of the stream, I said I wanted to come down to here. I said that. Go back and watch it if you don't believe me. 1 second. Let me answer you in 1 sec. Let me just see what's going on here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not so convinced. Yeah, there we go. Back down we go. Yeah, I wasn't so convinced by that move. Bola, bongo, cha cha cha. Damn, I wish we shorted that. Okay, well, this pink vector, or red vector now. We're gonna come down. This is movement. We're getting spicy action here. Guys, say hello to the market makers. I'm telling you, they're here. We're gonna drop down quick now. It's gonna happen real quick. Maybe recover 50% of this and then down. This is spicy price action here. Okay, we're gonna start scaling out of our long. I'm not trying to take a loss. Okay, to answer your question now. Wait, let me get my stop loss in place. And we'll put our stop right there. Okay, so I have 2 comments on what you said. My first comment is catching wicks is a risky game. And I'm not saying it can't be done. It absolutely can be done. And I do it all the time. But also I've been trading for a while and I have confidence when I'm trading. So my first thing that I would say to you is try not to catch the knife. Because I don't know how many times you're getting stopped out trying to catch the knife. And you can lose a lot of money trying to do that. So that's number 1. Number 2 if you find yourself continuously getting your, like, catching the knife and then you're hitting the stop loss, well, you're not actually catching, like, you're not actually hitting the bottom. So that kind of ties in with my number one, which is don't do that, because you'll lose more money in the long run trying to do that until you get good at it. But I will give you, actually, I'm going to give you the example I gave you yesterday on how you can do that once you build the confidence. And I'm going to go back in my updates and I'm going to pull this up again. So these two images, I know I already showed this on stream, but I'm going to show you guys again. So these two images, right? So this was the first image, and I gave these in real time, right? The first image, we were at one of my zones where you could catch the knife. I caught the long from here. I caught this first long, and then I sold it. I caught this. Actually, I only caught one of the longs. Maybe this one, actually, this wick. And then I closed it. Okay. This is how you know if you're gonna get stopped out again or not. Remember, we like to see divergences when money flow is thick like this, right? So let's look at what happened versus what like happened in the end, or what we projected, right? So if you look down here, this is our first divergence, first wave of, look at the wave now. Don't worry about the dots. Look at the wave. This was our first divergence, and this is our second divergence. So you can start to look for longs once you have two consecutive divergences, in my opinion. However, I also like to see larger waves, right? For me, I like to see larger waves. I don't like to see it all attached in one like this. I wouldn't be convinced if it's all attached like this. Let's look at moving forward what happened, right? We had another wave of a divergence, but money flow is still super thick, and we know that when money flow is thick, we can find cheat sheet entries, right? So this would have been a cheat sheet entry, kind of. Money flow was coming up, but we are on the 50 EMA and there were no vectors. But we also knew, and we were very well aware of this key zone beneath us. And I like to see divergence. I want to see clear divs, the way that like is drawn out here. Not this, right? And that's why yesterday, you saw I put an X on this zone. I put a check mark by this zone, because I expect another divergence. Now, it takes some time. This took 2 hours. So at any point, if you longed, anybody that longed in this, in all these candles here, got stopped out, because their stop would have been under that low, right? But this is what we want to see. Another thing is when you're coming into a zone, a key zone, and you're truly catching the knife, what you want to see is a fast move. You want to see red vectors and a fast move. Did we have a fast move here? Not at all. Here we had fast in, fast out. Okay, and what was that? 2 o'clock? Was that yesterday? 2 o'clock yesterday, I think. Right here. Right? Fast move down, tapped the zone, and got the hell out of there. This is what a bottom looks like. A bottom looks like this. A bottom does not look like this. And if I pull up my zones, you guys could see, I didn't even touch them yet. I haven't moved it. So, that's how you can truly catch the knife. But if you're not confident in your trading, as you mentioned earlier, I don't even recommend you do this. Wait for the fast move. Man, look, all you guys had to do was be patient. Look how easy this was. This is so easy. You wait for the fast move. Until you see a fast move like this, don't even touch the price, right? Pull your fib now from the low to the high and wait for price to come into your golden pocket 786 zone. You see 3 red vectors right into your zone. You can even wait for the move. Like, you don't even need to try to catch the knife. But you see that? There's your long right there. So if you're, look, I catch the knife because I've been doing this. And again, I don't mean this in a condescending way at all. But I catch, yeah, for sure. So I catch the knife because I can catch the knife. And by the way, I don't always catch the knife. Sometimes I miss it. Sometimes it happens in my sleep. Sometimes I think the knife is going to be here and then it breaks my range completely and I get stopped out, right? But that's why it's important to A, do proper risk management, and B, you know, have the patience. When money flow is thick in general, like, I'm not super convinced longing here, Yeah, you might scalp it, but you have to be aware that there may be another wave. We're looking overall for the curvature, right? We're looking for the curvature. This is clear divergence with money flow, with VWAP, with the momentum waves. This is it. Don't have to worry, cause baby, there's ain't no mountain high enough. Ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, baby. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Man, listen, practice, bro. Practice. So guys on YouTube, all he said essentially was that he sees the liquidity in the vector candles, and that's made him better. Look at this. Look, this is a live real-time example of what I preach all the time. We have a red dot here, right? And we're on the 15-minute time frame. Forget even looking left and looking right in time frames. We're on the 15-minute time frame. That's it. When you have a red dot on the 15-minute time frame, look at the vectors. We can come back here, and exactly that's where we came back to. So if you entered on this green dot, let's just say, and then you see this red dot, and you know that there's vectors here, nobody is allowed to say, oh, why is it coming down here? Like, I didn't expect it. It's right there in front of you. And this is true on all time frames. If you come on the 1 hour time frame, let's look. We have a green dot right now on the 1 hour, right? So if price comes all the way up to these vectors up here or up here, no one is allowed to say that they didn't expect this. Nobody. Look, we had a red dot here on the 1 hour. Look at the vectors, man. Where did price come down to? You can't say you didn't expect it. Guys, it's so easy. It is so easy. It is right in your face. Like, it literally is so easy, man. And people still don't do it, and people still don't get it, and they overcomplicate it, and it doesn't need to be complicated. On whatever time frame you're looking at, just look at the dot and look at the vectors. Look, here on the 4 hour time frame, we have a green dot. If price comes all the way back up to here, all the way back up to here to recover these vectors on this 4 hour, nobody is allowed to say you're surprised. Nobody. It's right in your face. Now, I don't think that's going to happen. But my point is you're not allowed to say that you didn't know. It's right there, man. So easy. So easy. Bow, 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 bow. More than a woman to me. Okay, I want to see us touch this box. Give me this box. I will short if I see what I want to see. This box here. Because now, on the 3 minute time frame, we broke structure. So this is, in theory, a high, a strong high. And this is a weak low. So now we're in our zone. Let's see what happens. If we take the high, then different story. I don't know if we're going to, though. We might. Okay, let's see what you guys are asking. We got a lot of people in the chat, man. Shouts out to everybody in the Discord. Shouts out to everybody in the chat. Oh, man. Looks like we are coming for the high. Maybe not. We'll see. Oof. There we go. There was the high right there. Okay, so this could also... Here's where we can start shorting, I think. We can also come up to this zone here, so now we got to be careful, you know? So my mech C just like totally glitched out. I did manage to short here, but I got in later than I wanted. I was trying to get in at 287 and I got in at 251. So this is my entry right here. Kind of a shitty entry, but there we go. Bear div on momentum, bear div on money flow. And I've already taken profits, stop losses at entry. That's how you do it, guys. Very easy. Very, very easy. Let's take some profit on the long. Do I want to take profit on the long? Man, this is like so market maker behavior. And this is why I extend the Brinks box, by the way. For exactly reasons like this. Because technically now the Brinks box ended 20 minutes ago, but we're still doing some funky business. Okay, I'm glad I caught that short. But I got only half of my position size, and I messed up the entry, because not me, because of Mech C. Stupid Mech C. And let's take some profits. Let's take some profits. I may dance by the moonlight. Lady, I feel love for the first time. Dump it, baby! Give me the bag! Bro, dumper, dumper. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, man, 3 hour is looking juicy, but again, we don't have any divs, man. I want to see divs. I want to see divs. We had money flow this thick, but no divergences. Only like one kind of not even great one. Nah, man, that ain't it, chief. I ain't about that life. I want divs. I want divergences. So now, theoretically, I would say this hopefully now is the high. Hopefully. If we take this low, this is the high. That's it. We're done. In my opinion. So look at this. Even on the 5-minute time frame, right? Money flow is coming down, but price is consistently getting higher. Do we have news in 10 minutes? Get jiggy with it. Yo, Ova, Mr. Pepper, how are you, sir? Do you think we're gonna dump to Goblin Town, as you say? Like I'm hoping we are right now? Where's our VWAP? We just lost VWAP. Look at us dancing around VWAP, man. Oh, this vector's not good. Should we TP? Let's TP. Alright, we just took some profits. We are no longer able to lose. It is impossible for me to lose. So that's like, I don't know, 3-4 trades on stream I just took right there in front of you guys. That is winners right there. Shine bright like a diamond. Mr. Powell is speaking in 10 minutes. I did not know that. I don't even know who that guy is, man. All he does is freaking it feels like every other day there's news. Every day there's CPI data or unemployment rates or whatever. Like, shut up, man. Just let us trade in peace. You don't like Rihanna, Mr. Pepper? Why are you such a hater? Man, I need to get I need to get the chat on the screen. Let me see if I can do that. The problem is you guys can't hear the music if I do that. Diamond, shine bright like a diamond. Am I still recording? Yeah, beautiful. This is a great session, by the way. Thank you guys all for being here with me. Next one is actually going to be on YouTube. I have the weekend to figure it out after my wedding tomorrow. So I'll sit with it on Sunday and I'll figure out what's going on. The 3-minute looks pretty decent right now, actually. This is how they throw you around, man. This is how they do it. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. Whose mic is on? Steve and Chris, do you mind muting yourself, bruv? Oh, you're listening to Tino. Shouts out Tino in the chat. Yeah, man, I'm down to dump to Goblin Town. Thanks for asking. I'm down for that. What's everything else doing? Are we dumping across the board? Man, like, if you just look at the range alone, let's see. You really think that in this little range that we formed here, we were ever gonna just pump? Like, where's the liquidity grabs, man? The vector was down here. The clue was right here. You can't say that it wasn't right there. I want to at least take this low. This would be I'm going to close my short here. 25834. We're going to write it. Everybody remember this number. 25834. 258. We'll be greedy. I mean, not greedy. We'll be nice and give it 25837. Oh, whoops. Oh, Ova, this is your song. Mr. Pepper. This is what I think of when I think of you. I think of Lizzo. I think of a big fat liberal. Yeah, man, this is your... I see you like... You know why? I think one time this song was on and you were talking about twerking in the hospital and I'm like, bro, come on, man. I might be better. Turn up the music. Yeah, man, this is the top. This is the high. Send it down, baby. Give me the bag, bro. Pay me. We just had like 2 or 3 live wins on stream for you guys. Now, I don't show you my position sizes. I will never do that because it's none of your business. I'm coming out tonight. It's enough for me to make a living off of it. Let's just say that. You have a twerk team in the hospital? Yo, which hospital are you like part of? My girl works in Brooklyn. She works in, what is it called? There's a Brooklyn one. Hull. It's like something Hull or something. You don't share that info. Okay. Sorry, Mr. FBI. My girl works in Woodhull Hospital. In the Bronx, New York. No, and she's in Brooklyn. Please open dump song. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Came for the low, baby. All right, guys. For the people on YouTube that won't be able to hear this, this is our community's dump song. So if you want to listen to it, go listen to it. I came for the low. Let's go, boys. I came for the low. All right, so this is what we do in real time. Let me teach you guys a thing or two because I'm so nice. Let's take a look. If we are going to front run our 1 hour red dot, which it looks like we're doing, where can we come down to? This is liquidity, right? So we can expect to come down to here, perhaps. We could also SFP this. But let's do something that's already confirmed. Is the 30-minute confirmed yet? No. 15 has to be confirmed. Yeah, 15 is confirmed, right? No, 15 is not a good example. Let's go 24. Okay, look at this. In real time, this is what you do. 24, we have a red dot. Look to the left. Where's the vector? Right here. We can expect to at least come down to this level. At least. Right? When you're looking for the vectors, you're looking for this. You're looking for SFPs. So, where can we come? We can come here. We can come here. We can come here. Right? We have no more vectors, but we do have an area of demand here. So, we can come down here. We can take this low as well. Actually, we will probably take this low. I will say this is probable. 25801. And where's my TP? Who remembers where my TP is? 25837. You guys are too slow. How are you guys expecting to be full-time traders if you're going to answer that slow? We can also take this SFP here. Right? So this is how we move, boys. This is how we move. Let's make our SFP green. I like the green better. We can SFP that. This is probable to SFP. Oh, I could have just done this. This is probable, and this one we're probably not going to come back up to, right? We're not worried about that. This is a level of supply. Or sorry, demand. This is too bright for my liking. Let's go 25%. Oh, no. What? Okay, Powell. Is he about to talk right now, like in 1 minute? Man, I don't know how to trade when there's like stupid news like that. I'm being honest with you guys. I don't know. I don't know, man. I just work here. I came for the low. Should we close it because homeboy's about to talk and get in? Nah, man. We just broke bearishly, so we're not looking for longs. That is for damn sure. This, in my opinion, is pretty simple. Any shorts right now goes above this high right over here. Oh, he already talked. Oh, is that why the market was all floozy-goosey today? He already talked? Man, I told you guys, I don't follow the news, man. Look at this. I just did 2 or 3 live trades on stream for you guys. All winners. Called them out. And I had no idea about any news, right? I was just trading the charts, which reminds me, or goes to show that you don't need news and BS. Oh, news. Let's search. Man, it's all in the charts, bro. It's all in the charts. When Luna collapsed, that was in the chart before Luna collapsed. It wasn't like green money flow and then all of a sudden it just hit 0. Come on, nah. He said rates will be high for long or might have to raise. Yeah, see, even the thing is with the news is funny. And this is the kind of the benefit of like having this Discord. Is anytime I need to know anything about anything, I ask you guys and you guys tell me. Because I don't know what that even means, man. Look, all the financial stuff, all the crypto, like technology stuff, I told you guys, like, I don't know what DeFi is. I don't know what layer 3 solution or whatever. I don't know what him raising the interest rates is and how that is for the economy. Like, I just know how to trade, man. I know how price gets from here to here. I don't know anything else. Where's our TP we said? Okay, let's draw our short tool. I don't really use this that much, but where did I get in from before Mexi snaked me? We got in right here. So stop. Actually, stop is at the entry now, but we'll do that. Stop is above that high. We're gonna target. I mean, if I'm being honest, we're gonna target here. I mean, we could even go lower than that. But let's be nice and we'll target there. And our TP1 is somewhere. Our TP1 is somewhere. Where's our TP1? Where's the entry? Yeah, that's our entry. Stop is above the high. We're chilling. Actually stops at entry, but where did we say? Oh, right here. This is TP1. 25830. This is TP1 right here. That's TP1. Well, actually, I already took profit, but where am I? What just happened? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I already took profit, but we're coming down, man. We're coming down. We're coming down. By the way, if you guys didn't know, wait, where do we say this was the low? If you guys didn't know, if you hold Command on Mac, or I guess like Alt or Shift on PC, it like auto magnet tools. So like, look how it's not magneting, and then if I hold Command, it'll magnet. In case you guys didn't know that. Who is talking? Mr. Dark Helmet again. Wow, server mute. You came for the... I came for the low, 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 low. Guys, what did I say, man? I said it on stream. If we came back up to that demand zone... Or, sorry, supply zone. I keep saying it the wrong way. Then we were going to look for shorts. We actually SFP'd it. We came up higher than I thought. We still nailed the entry. Dumper, baby. Let's go. I came for the low. I'll be right back, guys. Like 5 minutes. New unreads. Who is messaging moi? Yeah, vectors is confluence with I mean, it's not a cheat sheet entry if there's no vectors. Like, guys, cheat sheet entries have very strict rules. There's got to be vectors. And the reason there has to be vectors is because when you have your 50 EMA here, let's say that's your 50, if you're getting vectors into the 50, that is just a buy to sell most of the time. If you're coming up nice and slowly to it, you might break it. So vectors is a very, very important part of really every way that I trade. All right, I'll be back. All right, what's happening? Are we winning? Are we in profits? Let's go, baby! Guys, if you took this trade with me, give me some random emojis. Sorry, I'm eating a Melba toast. I like crunchy stuff. Guys, give me random emojis if I've ever helped you make money. Let's go. Nice dice emoji. I wish my YouTube could see the chat. Let me see if I can change it. Hold on. All right, we're switching it up real quick. Oh no, it's not gonna be good. Man, I really need to use this stuff, guys. I'm new to this. I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm so new to this. Let me see if I can do this. Move on. Oh, there we go. All right, let's get some random emojis, guys. If I've ever helped you make money, let's go. Dice emoji. Shouts out Duna. Shouts out Dark Helmet. Shouts out Fake King. Shouts out Duna again. Drew Dot Bubble Boy. CSC Farmer. Bubble Boy, give me a better emoji than that, bro. Thumbs up. I want a real emoji. Give me give me a random emoji. In 2 weeks, 6 cheat sheet entries. Beautiful. Depending on the time frame that you're on, man. Beautiful. Let's get this back up here. I called this 4-hour cheat sheet entry on Bitcoin. I called this. When we were up here, I called this. Now, 4-hour cheat sheet entry is hard to enter and hard to front run. There we go. All right. Shouts out Bubble Boy. Look at that. Look at these random emojis. I like this one. All right. James Rick got his own picture somehow. I don't know how he did that. I'm so not like I'm not a tech guy, but can I make my own screen? Oh, look at that. This is interesting. Now I have the chat up and I have my own stream up. That's cool. I didn't know I could do that. I'm a wizard. I'm a wizard, Harry. Man, this is fun, guys. This is so fun. Oh, you know what I could do? Watch this. More for the YouTube people, because you guys can't see what I'm doing right now. Where did my Discord go? Watch this. Oh, this is going to be fire. That's how we do it, just like this. There we go. Now I got the chat up. Let's go. Can I pop the chat out? How do I pop the chat out? Guys, do you know how I can pop the chat out? Can I do that? Like, so it's not on the side? I don't know if I can do that. Alright, whatever. We'll figure that out next time. We'll do all the troubleshooting next time. Anyways, we are 80% in the profits right now, live in front of you, guys. Today, I think I'm up like 200% already on the day, and it's not even 11 a.m. And banks offer you 5% over a year, if that. There we go, baby. Dump it. What's our number? What's our take profit? 2.5 what? 2.5 what? Who remembered the number? I came for the low. 25837. Woof. That Melba toast just went down the wrong pipe there. I like that you guys are paying attention, man. You guys are. This is, dude. I say it all the time, guys. I literally say it all the time. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed that we share this community. It's not my community, it's our community, and I'm so blessed to be a part of it. You guys are actually great. All right, guys, we are freaking absolutely dumping. By the way, guys, now the chat is on YouTube, so please try to keep it clean. Not that you guys don't, But, you know, don't be sending, like, buttholes and stuff. I might have to get a couple more mods to help me with the chat as we get bigger. I came for the low. Getting too big. You know what, man? I made that post the other day in my in the Geo for President chat because you guys keep asking me the same stuff and no one's reading the chat, and like I can't keep up anymore, man. My DMs are, I mean, they're not flooded. It's not like I'm a girl on Instagram and I have a million DMs. But it's all the same stuff, the same problems, and like I'm trying to manage the YouTube. I'm trying to trade at the same time, and like I'm trying to do this. My OnlyFans DMs? Yeah, man, you wish. Pepper, you wish. You wish. I came for the low. Guys, are you guys sick of this song or nah? I think this song is fun. Should I come on camera? Maybe next time. 100% right now, by the way. We are 100% in the profits. Well, we were. Now we're 98. Yeah, no OnlyFans here, man. Pepper wishes. My music taste is better than yours. I don't know how I stumbled upon this song, if I'm being completely honest with you, but I like it. And this is our dump song. Bro, it's all you. You're giving up the house up front. Reminds me of Alex Harmozy. Well, I don't know who that is, but I guess I'm Alex Harmozy. But thank you. Appreciate it. Who is talking now? Whose mic is unmuted? Stone Cowboy. What's up, man? How you doing? Guys, listen. If you want to, you don't have to. But I don't like calling you by your names. Like your Discord names. It's weird. Okay? You guys know my name. You guys know my name. I would like to know yours, and I'd like to call you by yours if you're willing. So if you guys are okay with it, if you guys are cool with it, send me your name. Your name is Haram. You're annoying. Send me your names, and I will start calling you by your name. Because yeah, beautiful Glenn. All right, Mr. Glenn. Let's add a note here. Glenn with 2 N's. Nice to meet you. Linley. All right, I kind of figured it, but is it Linley or Linley? Guys, if the pronouncing is hard, why is this not saving? I did this the other day and it like doesn't save. Why is it not saving? Hold on. Okay, Linley saved. Glenn's saved. Is it Abjit? Am I saying it right? Abjit? Oh, what? It moved to A-B-H-I-J-I-T. Abjit. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Linley. All right. Guys, 106%. 110% in the profits, man. Let's go. Let's go. Bubble Boy. His name is Jeff. His name is Jeff. Is it Stefan or Steven? Stefan Stewart. Alright, man. Alright. Even your names, I'm trying to do this like quick. Oh, okay, Drew. What's up, Drew? Drewski. 110% in the profits, guys. 111. Fuji. All right, man. I'm going to call you Fuji. I'm sorry. The first one is a little bit difficult. But I like how you added that to your name. I appreciate that, man. Makes it easy for me. Fuji. Fuji. Fiji. Sounds like Fiji water. And I only drink and bathe in Fiji water. I can call you daddy. All right, man. I will do it. I will do so. No problem. Jemuzu. Cool. Got you. Leonardo DiCaprio. If I were to have, listen guys, if I were to have an OnlyFans, it would be Leonardo DiCaprio. Take that with what you will. Ova, bro, we still don't know your real name. You're very annoying. I don't like how secretive you are. I think you should just give me what I want. Steven, alright, so I'm gonna write Steven in brackets, so I got you. Homayun. 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 Guys, I'm sorry if I'm saying it incorrectly, man. I apologize in advance. Alright, beautiful, guys. Nice to meet all of you virtually. Is there any females here? Hey, my boy Leo is trying to go in. Guys, drop the digits. Drop the Instagram ass. My boy Leo needs he needs a rose. Jack needs rose. Jack will let you get on the door. He'll make sure you don't drown. Lindley wants to send the OnlyFans. This is the art of seduction. You give him just enough to keep him coming back. Bro, who are you trying to seduce, man? Who? Oh, that gif is a good one, though. Good gif right there. All right, guys, we are dumping. Let's go. 105% in the profits. And just so that you guys know that I'm not, as the kids would say, capping. Capping. Let's pull this up here for the YouTube folks. Oh, what happened? Oh, here. So that's my entry, guys, right there. You can see it very clearly on YouTube. Right? We catch wicks around here. And here is my up 102% right now. And you guys know the target. So when we hit the target, you're all going to be like, oh my Geo, you're so good at getting targets. Right there, 102%. So YouTube people, if you're not in the Discord, make sure you're in the Discord, man. I don't know what you're doing, and make sure you join VIP. I came for the low. Guys, this VIP code. Actually, you know what? I'm going to add it later in post. Sorry. Because I'm going to have another video up today, and then I'll post this one tomorrow. Maybe. You a cap star? Bro, I don't even know what cap means. Wait, did we hit our TP? Wow, we just missed our TP. Look at that. Wow. How low did we go? 854. So we missed our TP by $20. $20. No, I did not say the VIP code. I'm going to add it in post. Or should I add it in post? I'll listen. I'll let Pepper decide. Pepper, you can decide. Capping equals frontin'. I actually do know what it means, Pepper. Come on now. Don't play with me. Listen, I'm going to give Pepper the power. Pepper can choose if I'm going to 8765. All right, man. Easy just stole your thing. When this video comes up, 8765 will be the VIP code. I am going to make a video on Market Cipher A. Take my money and run. You take my money and run. We're not done, bro. We're not done. We're coming down. Brinks box. What day is it today? August 25th. Oh, man. Summer's over. Yo, Pepper, I'm going to be in your city in 1 week. Next Friday, I'm coming. So no Brinks box stream next Friday, guys. Because I'm going to be in New York. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. All right, TP hit, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Dump it. More. Take my money and run, he says. More. All right, where's our next TP, guys? Where's our next TP? Let's not get carried away. We can't get emotional at our losses, and we can't get emotional at our wins either. We have to stay humble. Imagine me humble. Okay, where else can we come to? This wick, man. This is our next TP. 256. We'll front run a little. 25646. 25646. 25646 is our next TP. We'll take another 25% out there. 25646. 25646. Should I take 25% out there, or should I take 10% out there? Because I think we're actually coming lower. I think it's about time we come to this wick. We come down here. So let's do 10%. Let's not do 25%. Let's be a little bit greedy. A little bit greedy. What was the number that I said? 25646, right? 25646. Guys, did you write down the code? I hope you wrote it down. Because this video might come out on Monday or like on Sunday or something. I came for the low. Do I even want this to be? Yeah, we should TP here. We can't be that greedy. Okay, so we'll take some out. 25646. Scroll up, Drewski. Scroll up, brother. You'll see it. All right, 25646. And then after 25646, we're coming for the lows, man. We're coming for the lows. 24200. But it might take us a while to get there. And we'll probably way ladder in by then. So let's go 50%. Actually, you know what? Let's pull our zones. Are we at our golden pocket right now? Yeah, we are. Well, we're also 131% in the profit, so get at me. This is our macro. Okay, I'm not interested in this fib anymore. This is our next TP, which is this SFP, which we will likely get. If we SFP this low, we will likely get a lot of liquidations and stop losses hit. So we might come down to here. Okay, so we'll go next one, 24836. Wait, did we already say that? Okay, 25646, and then we're gonna go 24. Oh wait. Oh, okay, and then the next one's gonna be here. So 25290. 25290. Here we will close out X amount of BTCs, and then we will go 24831. 24831. We will take out X amount of BTCs. And then we will go 24229. 24229. Oh man, we're getting deep now. I don't know if we're going to get this far down, but if we do. I mean, hopefully we do. 25646 is next. I don't think y'all know how low this is going. I don't think you know how low this is going. I just gave you my TPs down to 242. If we're talking lower than that, which is very possible, now we're talking 22. 22.5. All right, bro. I'm with you on it. I'm not disagreeing with you on it. I came for the low. Yeah, that was a nasty stop loss. Oof. I mean a nasty stop hunt in this little consolidation range right here. Guys, I also want to say this, and I swear on my life I saw this before CryptoFace's video today. But also shouts out to CryptoFace. But I did see this. All my life I saw it. Where is it? Was it on the daily? I saw Blood Diamond on the weekly. Was it the weekly? No. Was it the monthly? This. I swear on my life I saw this. I didn't pay attention to it when it was up here though, unfortunately. But I swear on my life I saw it before CryptoFace. And man, we know BTC and ETH move in tandem, so don't be surprised if we get a Blood Diamond here and we come down, guys. We've had a nice bull market. Not even a bull market, a nice bull rally. But it's time to give it all back, baby. Let's go. Let's make some new lows. That doesn't mean if you're watching this on Monday, short and that's it. No, don't be stupid. But we're up 123% in the profit. Let's go. Needed it. I came for the low. I came for the low. Came for the low, 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 hey, low, low, low. And guys, if you missed this short so far, do not FOMO. Either find a cheat sheet entry or, what is this? What do we know about vectors? We know we like to come up and recover the vector. We cannot assume that we're going to break the range. We're probably going to continue ranging for a little while, so don't be stupid. Sorry, guys. I don't mean to yell at you. I'm not yelling, I swear. How long we been streaming for now? 1 hour and 43 minutes, man. This should be on YouTube. The next one, guys, no matter what, is going to be on YouTube. I'm gonna spend all day Sunday figuring it out, because tomorrow, as you know, I have a wedding, so I won't be around tomorrow. I am DJing the wedding, making another bag after bag, money, money, money. Become high value man only. It's high value male or bust. Capitulation. Capitulate it, bruv. You dangerous. Came for the hat. Man, I'm a little bit bummed that Mexi kind of stole my entry. Anyways, we can add to our short position. Let's see where we can add. What is Powell saying? Man, I don't even know who that is, bro. I'm just kidding. I do know who it is. I came for the low. Any reason I use Mexi? Yeah, I use Mexi because Bybit like sucks now and you have to KYC, and I live in Canada where you're not allowed to do any of this. So Canadian government, if you're watching this, please don't come for me. But Mexi is the platform that was recommended by Jason Casper, who, if you guys don't know, is only one of 2 YouTubers that I take influence from and I learn from. So full credit goes out to Jason Casper. And the fees are cheap. Although I lost more money than I did saving money on fees with Mexi, because Mexi kind of snaked me a few times. When this massive drop happened, I started laddering in my position, like the drop from like 30K, I mean. And I had a $60 margin, and I lost $2,000 on a $60 margin, and it was not even it was not even cross, it was isolated. So just be careful with Mexi. Please, who is the next YouTuber that I listen to? These are the only 2 YouTubers, guys, that I will listen to. Number 1 is Jason Casper. Okay, I'll leave you guys his in the chat. Jason Casper is 1. And Traders Reality, who is the indicator that we're all using now, is this guy. His name is Tino. His channel is Traders Reality. All I do, guys, I am a byproduct of the 2. I combine the 2. I take the vectors and I apply it to Market Cipher B. That's it. It's not that hard. And the EMAs and stuff, right? Like, so those are the only 2 channels that I will ever pay attention to. Yeah, Crypto. Good, nice one. Only 2 channels that I pay attention to. Definitely not Crypto. Definitely not BitBoy. Absolute scam artist. Definitely not Carl from the Moon. Definitely not Crypto Banter. They don't know anything that they're talking about. I mean, I haven't watched them in 2 years. So maybe they've learned how to trade now, but Sheldon the sniper is not a sniper, bro. This guy doesn't know what he's doing. Anybody that trades breakouts are, I don't know, man. It's questionable. The shade. Hey, man, I tell you how it is. There's a lot of snakery in crypto. A lot of shade, a lot of snakery. So, you know, I take pride in what you see is what you get with me. I keep it, and I've always kept it 100. You're South African? Yeah, Crypto Banter is, I don't know, man. The guy's balding, number 1. Like, why would you trust a bald guy? Number 2. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I actually wish I could go bald. But I'm not like jacked enough to be bald. I think if you're bald, you have to be jacked. And you have to have a beard. Oh, I'm sorry, Lindley. I'm sorry, bro. I don't mean to throw shade at you. All rich people. No, man, I'm saying I wish I was bald. Like, I wish I could go bald, but I'm not big enough. If you bald and beard, yeah, I agree. Bald and beard. I have the beard. I can't pull off the bald. I'm not jacked enough. And because I'm 5'3", like, I need to be huge. My bald matters because people will see my head like I'm 5'3", right? So we can't be alone. Guys, how y'all feeling? How many people do we have in the stream right now? How do I see? Man, is there an easy way to see who's in here and Oh, 28. All right, we got 28 people live right now. I'm bald and goatee, can't grow a full beard. How old are you? Captain. How old are you? 38. You can't grow a full beard? Man, I grew a full beard when I was like 18. But man, bald like is the way, bro. I mean, we're all balding anyway. We're all gonna be like balding. So you might as well steer into it. But I just need to get jacked. Yeah, my race does help me with it. But my race doesn't help me with the hair on my head. Sato is the GOAT? Yeah, I don't know about that, Chief. I think Pepper is the GOAT. Palestinians are hairy? Yes, we are. But you know what, man? We're not the only ones, bro. Italians are hairy. Latinas are hairy. Brown people are hairy. The only people that are not hairy are Asians and like black people. Are the only ones that are not hairy. Are Asians and black people. Bears are hairy, yeah. And the Bears are winning right now. The gyms in Toronto suck. Yeah, man, I agree. I agree with you, Sam. Where are you from again? Sam? Yeah, I don't like this little recovery that we have right now. I like when it only goes down. Oh, you're in Scarborough. Scarborough shooting stars. Let me actually put that in your notes. Scarborough. In the ends. Pump it. Why do you want everyone in the stream to lose, Pepper? Why? Pepper, what's your name, bro? And send us a selfie, man. I'm tired of asking you this. If I guess your name, will you tell me if I'm right? I think if I guess it, you have to tell me. You won't guess it? Okay, so does that mean, is it a comma? Is it a common name or it's an uncommon name? Or you just think I'm that dumb to not guess like Michael? Uncommon. Okay. Is it a Dominican name? Gio, bro, your phone's pretty close to the mic. Oh, I apologize. You mean my face is close to the mic? Okay, how are we now? Actually, I should be monitoring my levels this whole time. Okay, test. Okay, it should be better now. You can hear my tonsils. I got my tonsils removed when I was young, okay? And I distinctively remember because the nurse, I was a kid, I was 5. The nurse was holding me and I was connected to like the computer and she's like, press this button. And I pressed it and it put me to sleep. And I woke up and I'm like, you bitch. Oh, I don't know how we just got that sound, but thanks. I like that sound. Yeah, I am Middle Eastern. I'm Palestinian. 100% Palestinian. I'm a pure breed, so I'm worth more. Just like dogs. You know how the pure breeds are higher value? I'm higher value. I'm quieter than the music now, man. Okay, how about now? I should be good now. Perfecto. Beautiful. Thank you guys for the claps. Thank you. I appreciate it. Geo Long. It's a good question. Let's see. Honestly, I wasn't really watching the longs, if I'm being completely real with you, but they are looking pretty good now, right? I can't long from here now because we're too late. But I don't know, man. If we're looking at market structure, we still haven't broken anything bullish. So I would say probably not. If it is a long and you caught the wick, congratulations. But I don't think it's sustainable. Maybe though. I mean, we do have these vectors, but unlikely. At least not for today. I don't think we're coming. At least if you're gonna short, like, okay, if you're gonna long, take profit before 26300, and if you're gonna short, your stop loss goes above 26.3. Powell is pumping the price. Is he talking right now? What is he saying? I don't even know, bro. I don't even know who Powell is. Yeah, I don't even know who Powell is. Like what he is with the SEC, I mean. No, I don't trade stocks. Although, actually, let's see what AMC is doing. Okay, so Ape like just merged into AMC, so we don't need Ape anymore. AMC is interesting. I have AMC, and they just did a reverse stock split or whatever. So this was my buy price, but it's not actually. Now my actual buy price is way up here. I put buy, I don't know, because I told you guys, man, I don't know news, I don't know stock splits, I don't know layer 3 solutions and whatever. I just know how to trade, man. Anyways, this was before I knew how to trade. This is just the spot position, but I bought AMC a long time ago, like 2 years ago. Got absolutely, obviously wrecked by it. And AMC is interesting. I'm gonna start paying attention to AMC because this is like ridiculous. Like this is absolutely ridiculous, man. Like we're down 98, 95%. Like that's ridiculous. So perhaps it might be time to start buying some AMC. But we're talking longer term plays. But no, I don't do stocks. Stocks are too boring, man. And stocks also, you know, if I was to trade Tesla and Elon comes out and starts saying all this racist stuff, for example, then it'll just dump out of nowhere, and I'm not like, it's just too much power for one individual, in my opinion. Although this does look pretty promising, I have to say. I'm kind of liking AMC. Maybe I'll buy some. Just to buy and hold, nothing fancy. No day trading or anything like that. I mean, it's getting absolutely smacked down, so. Oh, wow. Okay, well, let's go back to Bitcoin, man. What's happening to my profits? My juicy profits are going away. If we come up and take this high, then I'll be stopped out and I'll be sad. And I will probably be done trading for the day. Told you take my money and run. Yeah, you also said you'll see me at 22.5k. So you know what I'm realizing about you, Pepper, sir, is that you're a yes man. And when price is pumping, you're like, oh, let's pump it. When price is dumping, you're like, whoa, Goblin Town, Goblin Town. CSE 3 minute. Nah, this is not a cheat sheet entry. Oh, like for the red. Yeah, maybe. But these are not vectors. I want to see vectors. The Powell manipulation, that's why some people don't trade when this dude is on stage. Is he on stage right now? Can somebody update me? Because I genuinely have no idea what's going on. Okay, Pepper, I'm glad you at least acknowledge that you're a yes man. Guys, theoretically, there's no reason to come back up to this wick. So if you're shorting, your stop loss goes above the wick. Proper risk management, of course. But, you know, I'm still more in favor of the shorts. Low, 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 low. What is Ethereum doing? Oh, look at that. It's almost like I drew the zone perfectly. That's crazy. Sometimes I honestly like, I should have paid attention. Remember when all those alerts were coming on and I like didn't do anything about it? Should have done something about it. Anyways, yeah, I don't know. It's almost like I warned you guys. Are you guys sick of the song yet or not really? You're tired of coming for the low? Yeah, man, we're gonna keep moving down, I think. Pepper, you don't like... Okay, how about this? I'll give you the power. Mr. Yes Man. What's the next song? You tell me. Make it good though, and it's gonna be on repeat for like. I mean, I'm gonna go soon. This stream has been 2 hours long. We're gonna end it soon. It's a good video though. This should have been on YouTube. I'm stupid. I came for the low. I like it nasty. Anything with Cardi? Do you want me to pump it for you? You're gonna have to edit this. No, I'm actually not recording any I'm not recording any like audio this time. Man, I got hit with copyright strikes because I'm stupid on the last one. So I'm not gonna do that because I need to be monetized, my boys. I need to get that bag. That bag. I came for the low. Man, let's short ETH. Why not? Whatever. YOLO. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. We're not gonna lose. Have a great weekend, guys. Sam, see you later, man. No worries, bro. No, I'm saying people aren't gonna watch 2 hours and 45 minutes. You know what? Maybe not. Maybe not. But the Discord people will because the VIP code is in here, number 1. And number 2, if I ask nicely, I think you guys will. Even if you go to work and you just have the video on in the background, I think you guys will do it for me because, I mean, I give you guys a lot of free value. So in my experience, you guys are good to me. I'm good to you. You're good to me. So plus, I don't know. I think this is a pretty entertaining video. Anyways, we'll see. The analytics will speak for themselves. Thank you, Poppy. You're welcome, Mr. Pepper, sir. But guys, listen, the stream's actually been 2 hours long. I'm going to cut it here. I need to get some water. I need to get some tea. Oh, thank you guys for the applause. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, no worries. I called the top to the dang dollar. And to be honest, I actually would be scaling into my Bitcoin short right now. But I don't want to ruin my entry because I want to make a reel, not a reel, a short of this entry later. So instead, I just shorted ETH because it's the same thing. All right, guys, you know my positions. You know my take profits. You know the VIP code. I appreciate all y'all. For the YouTube people, if you like the content, please make sure you like. Please make sure you subscribe. For the Discord people, guys, I'll let you know when this video is up on YouTube. And you guys, if you just go to work or whatever, if you guys can just have it running for the algos, I appreciate you. For the YouTube people, I'm bouncing back and forth, man. I'm sorry. I'm so unorganized. Guys, if you have gotten any value, please comment the most random emoji you can think of. And I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to keep making that a thing. I want to keep seeing random ass emojis. All right, guys, have a good weekend. Tomorrow, I'm not around. So, excuse me. Tomorrow, I'm not around because I have a wedding. I'm DJing a wedding. So I will update my levels for you guys later tonight. I'll let you guys know what I'm doing in the VIP after I get my actual YouTube video up. Because, you know, this everyone has VIP thing. I don't like it. I need the watch time. So we're gonna lock up VIP again. We're gonna make you guys all watch the old the new video, which I'm almost done. I just gotta edit it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Happy trading. Yeah, one more round. Let's see those random emojis. If I've given you value, give me random emojis. Random. So far, our boy Bubble Boy, aka Jeff, is winning, man. He's killing it with these random emojis. Give me something I've never seen. Like, I didn't even know this lungs emoji was a thing. Dragon. Okay. I'm gonna start rating your emojis. The dragon, out of creativity, honestly, I'm sorry, brother. Luciano, 5 out of 10, maybe. Oh, this is cool. Lindley. Okay. Leo's killing it. Duna's killing it. Lindley's killing it. Explicit is killing it. Daddy. Call you daddy. No problem. All right, guys. We out. Have a good weekend. Oh, Ova. Of course. With some kind of unicorn. I know it's not a unicorn. Don't come at me. Okay? I'm joking. All right. Later, guys. For real. My voice is like getting raspy. Peace out.